you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. We have 3 more days after this. I just can't even get over it. I bit all of my nails off today because they were kind of coming off. I know salons are closed, so my sister actually might do my nails tomorrow. Not sure, but they're not looking too good. I'm actually starting this vlog pretty late. It's 1:45 and I'm just sitting here decorating cookies while watching Tara Mascot's vlog. Absolutely love her. I'm pretty much just gonna be working on cookies the rest of the night, as well as, of course, getting a little workout in. So I'm gonna just sit here and continue working on these cookies in hopes of getting them done today. And then I will check in with you guys when I'm done.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something.
Alright, you guys, it's a little while later. I've been working on those cookies, and before I forget yet again, we're gonna do the Clarence Advent Calendar. So we have to do days, is it 9 and 10? Why can't, this is hard for me. Okay. My neighbor's dog never stops barking. And I mean never. Okay, I think it's 9. Yes, 9. Day 9. Ooh, Wonder Perfect Mascara 4D. Just when I said I don't think there's gonna be any makeup in here, Clarence hit me with that makeup. Cool, okay. It's in the color 01 Perfect Black. And then drawer number 10 is a tiny little guy. Hydra Essential Moisturizing Reviving Eye Mask. Okay, so that was day 10. We only have 2 more days. 2 more days of the Advent calendar. It's kind of sad. I just got out of the shower and Carlos picked us up some Chick-fil-A. I got the market salad with the fat-free honey mustard dressing. It is so freaking delicious. So I'm gonna sit down and enjoy that, and then I'll take you guys back to go finish decorating those cookies with me. So this is how the cookies are coming out so far. And then these are the grapes that go with it. They're just under the fan so they can harden a little bit faster.
Yeah, this thing is getting long, you know? I gotta get those curly cues going here.
No, you do not.
Get those curls for the girls.
No curls for the girls.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ew, that's so gross.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Well, we're just watching The Bachelorette. It's a commercial right now. I'm freezing, so I'm snuggling up.
Oh, that one. Oh yeah.
You're so gross.
I hate to shave the rest of this and just have the curls for the
No.
girls.
No curls for the girls.
Yeah. Give me that. Hashtag curls for the girls in the comments, you know? We're all about them curls.
Sick of it.
That's it for That's it for Vlogmas Day
22.
22.
And we'll see you tomorrow for 23.
Well, we'll see you Thursday for 23.
Okay, Carlos. All right. Goodbye.